Today we are going to discuss some sums from percentage and decimal. So see, we have got the question, find the value of 1.5% of 200. So first what we need to do is 1.5% of 200. This is what we need to work. 1.5 percentage means divided by 100, and of 200. So of means multiply. So multiply 200. Now this is what we need to work on, and you can see there is a decimal point over here. So in order to remove this decimal point, you have to insert a extra zero in the denominator. So this is what we have got, and this decimal point is gone. Now we have got 15 by 1000 into 200. Now see, cancel these zeros, cancel this 10 and 2, we get 5. 10 divided by 2, 5, and then again 5 and 15, we have got 3. So my answer becomes 3. Moving on to the next question, what percentage of rupees 1 is 35 paise? Here it will be is. So is 35 paise, right? So this is what we need to work on. So first of all, rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. We have to make sure that both the things that we are finding out, one is in rupees, another is in paise. You have to make sure that both are the same units, rupees or paise. So over here you can see rupees is a greater unit, so convert this into paisa. This is easy. So you therefore rupees 1 is 100 paisa. So you have to find out what is the percentage of 35 paise in rupees 1. So smaller denomination, that is 35 paise, right in the numerator, and 1 rupee, that is 100 paisa, in the denominator. And because we need to find out in percentage means you have to multiply it by 100. Remember, whenever we are going to find out anything in percentage, we need to multiply it by 100. Now simply cancel these zeros. This paisa gets cancelled. What we are left with is only 35. So the answer is 35. And because we are asked to find in percentage, so percentage sign is important. So that is it from here. Now moving on to the next question, write in short form. We need to write this in short form. Simply, this is 30 and 5. So this is simple 35. Then we will insert a decimal point. Here we have got 2 in the first place after the decimal point. So put a 2 over here. Now we have got 6 in the third decimal place. 1, 2, 3. So over here 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal place. Write this 6 in the third decimal place, because over here it is given in the third decimal place. Now you can see this place is vacant. Just insert a 0 here. So my answer is 35.206. That's it. Moving on to the next question, 30 and 24 thousandth. So first of all, 30, and there is and. So before and, whatever is given, that is a whole number. So we write 30 in this manner, and then we have got 24 thousandth. Thousandth means after the decimal point, we have got tens, hundreds and thousands. So this is the positioning, and here it is written 24 thousandth. So we are going to write 2 4 here till the thousandth place. Now you can see again this place is vacant. Just insert a 0 here. So we have got 30.024. Moving on to the next question, find the continued product of 3.4, 1.2 and 29. Simply multiply 34 with 12. Let's do it. 34 into 12, we got 408. Now 408 into 29. I'm not showing you the multiplication because you know how to do it. So 408 into 29, we have got 11,832. So 11,832. So this is the answer that we have got. Now we have to insert the decimal point. Here you can see decimal place 1, here decimal place 1, and here there is no decimal place. So total there is 1 and 1, 2 decimal places. So insert a decimal point here, decimal place 2. So my answer becomes 118.32. That is it. Moving on to the next question, arrange in descending order. First, you see, this is the thing that we are given. Now, we have to convert this into like decimal. That is, first step, check for the number with the highest decimal place. Here the decimal place is 2. Here the decimal place is 2. Here the decimal place is 3, and here the decimal place is 1. So this A 0.876 has got the highest decimal place, that is 3. So accordingly adjust the others. So this becomes 13.040, this becomes 0.590, and this will remain as it is 0.876, and this the last number will become 6.300. Now see, over here we have to convert this into descending order. We have to arrange it in descending order. So you can see, first check for the whole numbers. Here 13, 0, 0 and 6. So definitely 13 is a greater one. So you're going to write 13.040. After this, the next greater number will be this 6. So we're going to write 6.3. After this, all the other two numbers we have got 0 in the decimal place. So check 0 as a whole number. So check the decimal places, the digits in the decimal places. One we have got 590, another is 876. So definitely 876 is greater. So 0.876, you need to write it over here. And lastly 0.59 or 590, both means the same. So this is it. Remember to remove this 0, because your answer should be in the form of the question. So this is what the answer will be. Moving on to the next question, find the difference of 46.8 from 129.73. So from here you need to deduct this. So write down 129.73. From here you need to deduct 46.8. So 4, 6, just below the decimal point put a decimal, then 8. In the empty places you can put 0. Now subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. Carry this. This becomes 17. 8. 9. Insert this decimal place. 8 minus 6 we have got 2. And 12 minus 4 we have got 8. So my answer becomes 82.93. Moving on to the next question. If a man earns 25,000 and spends 6,500, what is the percent he saved? So first understand, a person's income can be divided into two parts. The first one is what he spends, and whatever is left out is something that he saves, right? So this is what. Now his total income is 2,500. 2500. 25,000 is the income. Now amount of money he spent is 6,500. So 6,500 spent. We have to find out the percentage of money he saved. So first from 25,000 deduct 6,500. So from 25,000 deduct 6,500, we get 18,500. So the amount of money he saved is 18,500. Now we have to find out the percentage of money that he saved. So the formula is saved money by the total income, and because we need to find out percentage, it means into 100. Right? So this is the main formula. So the amount of money we have saved is 18,500. My income is 25,000 and into 100. Cancel out the zeros. We have got 1850. Now divide 1850 by 25. 1850 divided by 25, we get 74. So 74% is the answer. We need to write the statement accordingly. So we will write income of the man is equal to rupees 25,000. Amount of money he spent is equal to rupees 6,500. So amount of money he saved is equal to rupees 25,000 minus 6,500, that is equal to rupees, we have got 18,500. Therefore, the final statement, percentage of money saved is equal to, now we are going to work it out. That is, simply write this down. That is 18,500 divided by the total income 25,000 into 100. After cancelling, what we got is 74%. So this is how you're going to write the final answer. This is cancelling it out. That's I've already shown you earlier when we were working about it. Okay. So that is it.